Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on KOTOKO. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate KOTOKO fan channel. I know most of you might have heard the news. Kwame Opoku is on the verge of joining an Algerian club, Alger. I don't know if that's how they pronounce it. He's going there for a price of $1 million, $1 million. That is the price KOTOKO are willing to sell him to the Algerian club, and reports are stating that he will travel either tomorrow or next week to complete this move. To me, I feel when I heard the news, I didn't know how to feel because KOTOKO have been struggling with strikers. We had 1MILLION Opoku, that's after Abdul Fattah left. I don't think we've had any prolific striker like Kwame Opoku. So I think for him to be leaving is a shock to me because I don't even know what to say. If he leaves, we don't have any clinical striker. Osman Ibrahim is injured. We only have Naby Keita. Yesterday, Johnson Smith said we have one striker. I don't know if he meant like if he knew that Kwame Opoku would be leaving when he said now we have one striker, or if he made a mistake, because I feel that he knows that Kwame Opoku might be leaving, and he said that we are going to sign more players and we have one striker. So I feel he already knew that Kwame Opoku will be leaving. If Kwame Opoku leaves truly, it's going to be sad because we are trying to be one of the best clubs in Africa, and if we start selling our star players, I don't think we will ever reach that pinnacle. But it's all about money. $1 million would do a lot for KOTOKO in this pandemic. Right now, KOTOKO even struggled to get money to travel to Algeria for our last CAF Confederation Cup game, so it shows that the club are a little bit struggling financially. So if they sell Kwame Opoku, it means that they are doing this for the money and the club is actually struggling financially. Personally, if it's up to me, I wouldn't sell Kwame Opoku. It depends, because if there's a replacement lined up, that if we sell Kwame Opoku, this is the player we get, yes, then no problem. But if we sell in and start looking for players, it's going to be disastrous. There's no way we can win the Ghana Premier League when we sell our best players. So when I heard the news, I was confused, I was disappointed. Then I also understood it's because of money, because it's only money that will make KOTOKO sell the best player this season. $1 million. It's a huge money in Ghana here. So if he's leaving for $1 million, people feel it's understandable. Me, I feel somehow understandable because the club needs a lot of money. I would like to know your thoughts. Do you think Kwame Opoku leaving will cause problems for KOTOKO? Because me personally, I think if we don't get a replacement, you see, 1MILLION Opoku left and we couldn't get replacements, it caused us problem. Naby Keita hasn't stood up to cover that role. So if we sell Kwame Opoku right now, we will need a better striker to cover that role. So hopefully we get some, because right now Kwame Opoku, if he's leaving truly, we are going to suffer without him. KOTOKO depend on Kwame Opoku to score goals for us. So if he leaves, only God knows what will happen or how we'll score our goals, because Osman Ibrahim is still injured and we are nowhere close to signing any player. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think? Should KOTOKO let Kwame Opoku go? What do you think about the whole situation? Give me your thoughts. Would you understand that they are selling him because of money, and it's crucial that the club don't get bankrupt in this pandemic? Do you understand that the club are selling him because of money and all that? I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section. Let's talk. Tell me what you think about the whole issue. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, to right now and click notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.